Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Dynasty Warriors origin game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Dynasty Warriors on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing your game, if you wish to change your audio language, then you can pause the game by pressing the start button and then go into System. Here you will see the language settings at the left side, which is locked during your battle. So you will need to withdraw from your match by going into the withdraw setting and then quit your battle. From here, once again pause and go into System and then return to your title screen. Then from your title screen, you can go into Options, and here you will find the language setting. Now finally, you can change the audio language. There is the Japanese, the English, and the Chinese version available. Choose whichever option you wish, and then you can go back and choose Yes to save your settings. And now you can continue to play your game with your chosen audio language right away. And if you wish to change it once again in the future, you will need to return back into the title screen from inside the game and then choose your desired audio language from the language settings. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio language on the Dynasty Warriors origin game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.